Hello friends, welcome to the last part of our Signal app. So if you haven't watched our previous parts, then you can check my description. I added the video link along with the code. So inside our previous video, we are adding the functionality so our users can actually chat inside our app. So now in this part, we are improving our Signal app, and then I will show you how to deploy this app using Google Firebase. So first of all, here for our group, you can say the chat. I want to show the avatar of our last user who sent the message. So for that, go inside chat screen, and this is dependent on messages. So I pass here messages, and let us go inside this header, there the avatar. So instead of this dead avatar URL, I want to display messages who sent the last. So I want to show the photo URL. So now save this. Let us refresh my both screens. You can see guys, in our this chat, here the Elon Musk avatar is showing because Elon Musk sent the last message. So I send the last message. Then here you can see instantly my avatar is showing, because this is the by default avatar, because I don't put my profile image when I register. So here you can see the nice avatar is replacing. Now here for our home screen, I also want to change. So let us go inside chat screen again. So first of all, before this, I want to add this by default line that I print. Instead of, I want to print the last message of our user. So inside our custom list item, first we have to use the React hooks. So const chat messages. So let us pick this. Then set chat messages, and by default it is empty array, so use state. This is empty array, and now let us use the use effect. So use effect, and inside this first I want to pass one function. So first here to display the message, first we have to go inside our Firebase and go inside this. So collection of chats, document ID, collection of message. Then we have to go inside this field. So for that, here we have to use our cleanup method, unsubscribe. So let us move inside our collection of chats. Then let us move inside our individual ID that each user have. Then go inside our collection of messages. Then here I want to show the last message, so I use this timestamp. So order by time stamp, and here I provide DESC decrement. Then I use this on snapshot method, so it will allow to use real-time data value. And we are changed the state of our chat messages from empty array to our last. So here I use snapshot. dot docs, and here we have to map through, and by default we have to pass one parameter, so doc dot data, and after this we have to return our unsubscribe method. So now let us return unsubscribe, and to show the actual avatar of our user who sent the last message, so for that go inside this URI, and same like our previous code that we do inside our chat screen, so chat message, last one photo URL, so photo URL, otherwise we want to show this default image, this is that avatar. So now save the file and make sure your page is refreshed now. So now inside my YouTube group, here I sent the last message. So let us Elon Musk send the last message. You can see here avatar is changed, and here is also changed the avatar of our group. You can also see in my screen, yes, but now I want to show the last message at this subtitle. So for that, go inside this, and instead of this default text, let us write here chat messages. We want to show the last, so I use this. First of all, I want to show the display name, so our username of our user. Then after this, I want to show the last message, so chat messages. Message. So now save the file again. So here you can see the last message sent by Elon Musk inside our YouTube group chat, that is IT Buddies, is showing here successfully. So now let us go inside our family group, and let us I write this. So here you can see instantly the message is showing. So this is done, guys. Our app is now complete successfully without any error, and this looks pretty much good. We are adding all the functionality that we can add using this React Native. So now the time is come to actually deploy our app using Firebase. So first of all, we have to go inside our terminal. So here let us open first our terminal, and inside my SignalClone, first I want to write Firebase login. So there are some simple steps that we have to follow to deploy our app. So first Firebase login, and press enter here. Then I will log in with my actual Gmail ID. So here you can see, guys, I log in, and then we have to write here Firebase init and press enter. Then here it will be asked, are you ready to proceed? Then I want to ready. Then go inside this hosting because we want to configure and deploy. So press spacebar to select this and press enter. Then I want to use an existing project. Then again press enter. Yes, I want to use this SignalClone. So press enter. and what do you want to use as your public directory. So I write here web build and configure as a single page app. So yes, and I don't want to build and deploy with GitHub. So I press here no, and you can see here Firebase initialization is complete now. So now after this we have to write expo publish to publish our app actually and press enter. This takes some time to building our JavaScript bundle. So proceed this. Here you can see this, our things is done. So you can actually click on this. So let us open this. And I want to make this expo public. So here you can go inside edit and make public to everyone. So this is done guys. If you want to open this app on your phone, then you can actually scan this, and if you scan, this will open inside your phone, and this brings all the functionality that we done inside our Signal app. So now the last thing that we have to do here, that is expo build web. So we can actually put this for our web. We cannot put this app for our mobile. We can actually create this web, then press enter here, and this will also take some time. You can see here our expo webpack is built now, and inside our project there are also lots of web build folder is added automatically. So let these things proceed. So you can see here, after these things done, the last step that we have to do is Firebase deploy. So we can actually get a URL, and so with the help of this URL we can actually send to our friends and chat inside our app. So this is the last step, and you can see here deploying our SignalClone app. So now our app is deployed now, and if you want to click on this open, you can see here this is the URL that we got, and this is our final SignalClone web app that we made using React Native and Firebase. If you want to open this URL inside your phone, then it will actually work, and the functionality will be same. You can see here this is bit responsive, yes. And first I want to sign in. So here let us log in because I already registered inside my app. So Joel at gmail.com, password is joel123. Click on login. You can see here I actually log in inside my app, and if I want to add a new chat, here I can go inside this button and you will allow to create a new chat, and here there is also camera button, and if I want to click on this icon, then I will be sign out, and inside this you can see here like any messaging app, here a nice camera button and call option is showing, and with the help of this we can actually send the message to our user. So this is done guys. We deploy our app Signal and we complete all of this process. So I hope you like our project and as well as our video, and if you got any error while programming, then you can check my description. I added the GitHub code link that is totally free, so you can simply copy that code inside your machine and you can actually create your Signal app, and you can send the URL to your friends for chatting purpose. And the last thing that I want to say, if you don't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe. It takes doesn't much from you, but it helps me a lot. So thank you and bye bye guys. Keep watching.